What's up, guys? It's your boy Sakamoto here with another video. So I got a chill little video for you guys. Tonight I went out to a meet and I did some spirited driving on the way there and back. And yeah, now I'm just grabbing gas, but I thought I would just show you guys the car while I'm here. Show y'all what it's looking like. Definitely need to run. I'm looking at some aftermarket parts, guys, some mods for it. I talked to a few different people at the meet that had Z's, and they were giving me some good tips and what parts I should get, how to push more power, so without fucking up your warranty. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you there. Meet I'm going to, it's like 30 minutes away, so I'll probably get a little cruise in, and then we'll also pull up at the meet and I'll show you guys footage of that. But it's supposed to be a garage meet. I've never been to a garage meet, so I'm pretty curious to see, you know, how the turnout will be. Road finally opened up. Let's go. Little wheel spin right there. Sweet. I love how it rev matches for me. That shit sounds good. I need to throw something like aftermarket on, like an exhaust or something. But it does sound real good for stock. Oh, this shit looks active. What garage is it? This one, I'm assuming? Oh yeah, this shit is active. GTR right there. Does this dude want to come out? What's up?
10 bucks.
10 bucks. This guy. I know that shit is free.
Stop him. He doesn't want to pay $10 to get in. What? What? Just had my young. He's got a GoPro. He's got a GoPro.
Yeah, bro. I'm
hey, fastest Gen 1 in Lakeland. Post it.
Hey, I got you. Just started up the channel, so.
It's not the line.
Let's see if we can park up next to this GTR without running people over. This is yours? Oh. Somewhere around here. That's sick though. Man, there's hella cars here. I don't even know where to begin. I'm gonna just walk this way. Damn, this RS3 is nasty, bro. Never seen a yellow one. Oh shit, this is the Z he was talking about. Damn. Never seen a Z like this. Oh, sorry. Jeez. Is this yours? Oh, that's yours? That shit is sick as fuck. I've never seen Lambo doors on a Z like that. That's fire. I have one of the new ones. Yeah, 24. So, but it's just stock right now, but I'm enjoying it. Damn, that's fire as hell. What year is this? 2013? It's nice, I like it. Yeah, you're welcome. That's sick as hell. Look at this Z. Sheesh. Look at those tires, bro. So I just left the meet. That was a really good turnout. So I'm just gonna cruise home now, pretty much. But we'll see if we can get some action on the way home. Got some tire spin right there. That's so much fun to spin the tires like that. The road is like really smooth here, so it allows me to just spin a little bit. Even 70 pulls pretty good. There's still 3 more gears to go. That's fucked. Jesus. How is there 3 more gears to go, bro? And I'm already going like 120, 130, bro. This car is, the tuning potential is crazy. I was talking to a couple of Z owners and they were hyping me up, bro. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was a lot of fun. I just went for a little cruise, hit that little meet, and yeah, that was it. That was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.